Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and you can see our problem in front of you. Let me just read through it so that you don't have to translate my handwriting. Log in base 2 of root 2 plus log in base 2 of 1 plus 2 log in base 2 of 2 is equal to what? Well, um, that's going to take a tiny bit of sorting out, and I think that the best way to approach this is in a very systematic manner, which is to work out what each of these things is equal to. So I should confess at the start that this is a problem that a student of mine asked me to take a look at because she was slightly unsure of what to do, and I think on further discussion that we narrowed the problem down to this. Not to say that there aren't problems elsewhere, and I think it's a fairly intimidating. I think it's a fairly intimidating problem for a high school maths student. So let's get to work. So I'm going to split this up into three parts and do each part separately and then put them together. So what we have is a is equal to log 2 of root 2. Okay, so the question is as follows. What power of 2 is going to give us the square root of 2? So if we think of this, in exponential terms, maybe that's a little easier. 2 to the power of x, we'll call it, is equal to the square root of 2. Now, in this form, I think it's easier to see, and you can apply your index laws. Now, rewriting logarithms as indices is very, very helpful if and when you can do it. So, how do we get the square root of 2 from this? Well, index laws say that we should consider fractional indices, and this is our answer. It is 2 to the power of a half. 2 to the power of a half is the square root of 2. So what does this equal? Well, log in base 2 of root 2 equals 1/2. That's our value. Okay, so that's A sorted out. B, hopefully, is a little simpler. Log in base 2 of 1. What power of 2 will give us 1? So we can slightly short circuit this process. I'll write it out, however. 2 to the power of what is equal to 1? Well, again, index laws tell us that 2 to the power of 0 equals 1. So our value of log 2 of 1 is 0. So I'll just underline that and underline that. These are actually the values we're looking for. We're looking for the value of that, the value of that, and the value of that, and we're going to put them together. Okay, C, which is 2 log in base 2 of 2. Now, let's just tidy this up as an expression. This is log in base 2 of 2 squared. This can be written as this. So this is log in base 2 of 4. So the question is 2 to the power of what is equal to 4? And the answer is 2 to the power of 2. So just let me talk my way across here. So 2 times log in base 2 of 2 can be written as this. The rules say that this and this are the same, and the position of these is interchangeable. That means that we're looking for the solution to this. log in base 2 of 4. So the question becomes 2 to what power is equal to that number? 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. And so we're looking for that number. 2 log in base 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so that's the value we're after. So having underlined all of these, I'm now going to circle them just for emphasis. So our answer is, and I'll just write it here, 1/2 plus 0 plus 2. And it's not a great challenge to get that answer from that. That is the solution to this problem, and that is how you do it. It's not just the application of log laws, it's the systematic breaking down and solving of each of these. So thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful. If some of what I said about log laws eluded you, the log laws are set out in this playlist on this channel. If the exponentials, such as this and this, had you scratching your head, the index laws are set out on this channel as well, and please feel free to have a look at them. That's what they're there for. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If this was useful, please subscribe and like, and I will see you next time. Bye.